Oh my! Hello everybody, I'm still alive. That evil man, he just took that barking animal outside. Look, the door's a crack. I'm gonna take my blanket and make a run for it. Oh, please pray for me. I'm so scared. Okay, I just have to try to get my blanket out first. It'll help me if I hurt myself when I fall. Oh my, I made it! I'm free! Wait a minute. This doesn't look like my beautiful Samoa. Where am I? Please help me, somebody, please!
Hey, why is the door open?
Oh no! It's coming!
Malo Safua, everyone. If you read the title to the video, you know what we're making. And let's get started. So if you don't want to watch the cooking part and just want to watch the mukbanging part and the eating part, then in the description down below, I'll put the time that you can start watching that and skip all this. So first we got some pork belly. So I have the butcher cut it fine, almost like bacon size. And I'm going to bake that in the oven on super slow for about an hour. And then for the main ingredient, of course, we need some elbow macaroni. And we need, this is, I believe, 4 or 5 types of cheese. We have Colby Jack, we have mozzarella, we have provolone, and we have a little Parmesan in there. And I also have some heavy cream in the fridge. Let's get started. All right, done cutting up. We have 9 slices that I cut in half, so there's 18 small pieces. I'm going to put it in at 325. The oven's preheating right now, and I'm going to slow cook it for an hour. Of course, for the other thing we're eating tonight is the chicken, so I just need these drumsticks, some buttermilk, and some flour that I'm going to put some salt, pepper, maybe some garlic powder and onion powder, and that's it. Oh, and I need my deep fryer as well. All right, it's been an hour. I did the macaroni till it's al dente, and now let me get out the pork belly. So there is the pork belly cooked really low for 1 hour. I've tilted it so I can get the grease to come down at the bottom. And you know what I'm gonna do next. Time for some magic ingredients. So I'm gonna grab about a teaspoon of it. I'm gonna drizzle it on the macaroni. Let's do, should I do all of it? No, that'd be too much, but let's do 3 big teaspoons / tablespoons. I've never measured this spoon, so I don't know. Okay, first thing I did is turn the heat up to medium. I'm going to pour in about half a container of heavy cream. Well, that's probably enough. We didn't make a whole lot because we're just a small family. Let's start adding the cheese. All right, so we have 4 different types. Go ahead and add that in now. And I also have a bunch of shredded, just plain mozzarella, which is my family's favorite, that I can add as well. Okay, let's stir that around, and I'll add some more cheese if I need to. In the meantime, I've also turned this to about 350 to start cooking the chicken. All right, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the cooking part today. I just kind of want to spend more time on the mukbanging part. So forgive me if you enjoy this part, but I am going to skip ahead until this is ready to put in our pans. We're going to have 3 separate ones because each of us will like different things in our mac and cheese. Okay, I've made the command decision to add about a cup more of cheese, but this time just mozzarella. Meanwhile, I'm been soaking the chicken in buttermilk. Let's get some pieces in there. These are my wife and kids. Okay, gotta keep stirring it so it don't burn at the bottom or stick. So now I'm gonna add some and make my wife's little casserole mac and cheese first. So with my wife, I'm going to put some in there. That's more than she'll ever eat, so don't worry about that. I'm just going to break up some of the pork belly in here. Ooh, it's hot still. Woo! Super hot. Sorry, the stove is a little hot where it's sitting. And so that's why it's bubbling up a little bit. Okay, let me move that off to the side. Okay, forgot to mention I also added a half stick of butter into this. I just forgot to film it. So putting in my kids. Not too much because they're not going to eat a lot. They'll probably eat more of the chicken. Who knows with the kids nowadays. Okay, with theirs, I am adding diced ham. The only problem with this dinner is I've had to wash my hands till they're dry so many times. All right, let's get on with mine now. Okay, so for mine, I'm gonna put in some pork belly. Break up a few pieces there. I'll save some of the leftovers for my wife if she wants more. But I'll steal a little bit. The other thing I'm gonna put in mine that's not in there is some, woo, it's a lot. Cayenne pepper, but I love spicy. And also some Creole seasoning. That's from Louisiana. You pronounce it Creole. The E at the end is silent. So Creole seasoning to top it all off. Okay, let's get them baking. Okay, they're all in the oven. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to add more cheese on top. Meanwhile, the fryer is to temperature. I had to wash my hands in between. Let's lay this down really soft, if I can. And let's cook these chicken wings. Woo! There we go. All right, let me get back to cooking. Now, while their chicken's cooking, I want to put a lot of cayenne pepper in the flour. Oh yeah, lots of it. Woo, I can't wait to try this chicken. Let's check on the chicken in the deep fryer. Sounds like it's cooking good. Let me see if I can flip it over a little bit. Woo, popped at me. Ouch. Good thing I'm wearing my reading glasses while I cook. That one don't want to see me turn over, darn it. All right, let's just wait till they're done. Okay, I believe the chicken's done, so I'm going to pull out the first batch. Oh, look at that, golden brown. Okay, going to put my chicken in now. Had to wash my hands again. But now I'll have to do it again after I touch this. Ooh, hot. Let's see, let's do it this way. All right. Let that cook about 20 minutes. All right, I'm getting ready to serve up the plate. So look at the kids, macaroni and cheese. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. And there's their fried chicken. There's Mama's got the big one. Let's do the kids first. All right, let's do baby girl first. She may not like it. She actually doesn't eat any kind of macaroni and cheese, but I want to make her try it. And if she don't like it, I guess she can get a spoon and eat Nutella. And now for my 14-year-old, acapella. It's pretty crusted to these pans, so I'll probably throw them away. Sometimes we reuse them, but I don't think I'll reuse this one. Oh, I forgot with my 14-year-old, I'm going to add a few pieces of pork belly crumbles right there in case she wants to try some. All right, for my wife, ooh, I think I'll just give her the whole thing. And if she doesn't want to eat it all, that's fine. It'll be leftovers, or Mako will sure eat it. I love the golden crust on the top. All right, let me go get mine, then we'll start eating. Last but not least, here is mine right there. I got the 2 pieces of chicken because I know I can eat 2. And also, oh, I love that cheesy, crusty goodness.
Honey, wolf, your eye.
Eoi, dinner's ready. Come and get it, girls. Time to eat. All right, we're finally sitting down eating. We said our prayer. Let's try the macaroni and cheese first. Oh, wow. That is good. Of course, mine has spicy stuff in it. Let me try the crunch on top. So what's your favorite? Pasta and mozzarella cheese. And a little bit of ham. Silhouette, you may not be able to see her in the shot, but she's acting like I just served her roadkill. She's looking at the dinner like, what the heck? You don't like eating stuff you never saw before, right? Yeah, I've never made this, so what you do is just do this, see? Take some if you don't like the crunchy part on top. That's your glass full of ice. If you want it. So what do you think, acapella? Is it okay?
It's not bad.
Not bad. That's high praise from acapella. That means 11 out of 10.
I was expecting it not to be good.
Huh? What's that?
I was expecting it not to be good.
You didn't hear her. She said, I was expecting it not to be good. I saw someone do this. I think it might have been, even though I made it a little differently, I saw, I think it was like a home movie of Araya TV cooking a big pot of it for kids that were having like a sleepover. That gave me the idea like, oh, I need to make some fancy macaroni and cheese too. Time to taste my spicy chicken. Oh my god. Fried chicken may not be good for you, but it's the juiciest chicken of all. So honey, how was your pork belly mixed in with your mac and cheese?
That was good, honey.
No, that's good. Does pork belly make everything better?
Okay.
Were you laughing at the camera? Are you giving them secret messages? Maybe it's my turn to salsa. Give me the banana. Salsa! I don't know about everybody else, but I've got one word, 2 syllables for this chicken and macaroni and cheese, and it's Gee-hoo! Oh, I love it. So I know you may not be able to see Silhouette, but she had to leave the table. She was having a little bit of a tummy issue. I'll put it that way. That's the nice way to say it. But sure be back.
Oi.
Oh, excuse you.
Hurt.
Like they say in many cultures, that means congratulations to the chef or something. I'm excited about tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm doing my umu for the second time. And you'll see that video in 3.5 days from when this aired. I do videos every 3.5 days. I like the pork belly there. Give it like a little crunch. It's kind of like bacon, but not like bacon. I don't know how to explain it, but it's good. You know, I think I could have just ate this pork belly infused macaroni and cheese by itself without any chicken. It's very filling. My wife and kids probably can't eat very much. Of course, me, I could probably eat the whole pot. Ooh, I am getting full though.
You're making a face.
Are you making faces on the camera?
It was kind of like a I'm constipated face.
Oh.
Is that a yes?
No.
Are those your doo-doo fingers?
Duty finger. Is that what you said? Let's not talk about duty at the table. Mmm.
Can I have a napkin?
Sure. Hold on.
All over my face. What do you want?
Oh, I can get you a napkin. I just had to grab it with my fingers. That
Here, flipped her poo-poo card. What does that mean?
people can hear you on the camera, even though if you're not on the camera.
That's too bad.
What's up with your eyebrows? Why is one color and the other color? That's the thing to do.
No.
Accident?
That's her thing.
Is it on purpose?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I meant. So is that the thing to do? You said, yeah, for me.
Excuse me.
Is the poop coming up instead?
I really enjoy the dinner. And even though you get filled up quick, I don't think this was a big success for the rest of my family. Even though Acapella was surprised that she liked it. She initially thought, like, I'm not going to like this. And she was, well, not bad. My wife, though, is not a macaroni and cheese person, ever.
Nope.
And all her chicken, believe it or not, she prefers baked chicken.
Uh-huh.
And even if we get
Yeah.
chicken from like Kentucky Fried Chicken or whatever, she feels sick afterwards because it's just too greasy. She likes chicken baked better.
Dude,
So go figure.
what does that mean?
I like the little nuggets on pork belly. I feel like getting the rest of my macaroni and cheese, but I really want to save it for later when I'm out by the fire tonight, relaxing and watching YouTube.
I just signed a bad word.
What I love about fried chicken though,
What does that mean?
the grease doesn't bother me.
You want money?
That it's cooked in grease, but I love that when it's, I don't know, it's something about it's so juicy inside.
I'm trying to do that thing that Puss in Boots does, like the eye thing. It's just not working. Your eyes are like not bad. It's more like sitting slop.
Oh my god, so good. Whoa. The dog's scared that you know what out of mommy.
Oh my god.